Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. Today we are just going to talking about another March event like from 5 March to 10 March. Uh, what are the events are uh, happens? So I also mention this day like 5 March 5 March, which events are happened 5 March, which events happens like C week. First one is C week, second one is dissociative identity disorder awareness day, chocolate chip cookie week. Now 6th March. Now 6th March event is National Dentist Day. National Dentist Day. National Dentist Day. And another one is No Homework Day. No Homework Day. And 7 March event. First one is Unique Names Day. That is very popular. That is very popular. And 8 March International Women's Day. That is very popular. International Women's Day. Now second one is National National No Smoking Day. And 9 March 8 March is National Women's Day. That is very popular. National No Smoking Day. That is also popular. And 9 March event is National Get Over It Day, Popcorn Lovers Day. National Get event. National Get Over It Day, Popcorn Lovers Day. And last one is 10 March event. First one is Harriet Tubman Day. Harriet Tubman Day. Now second one is International Weekday, and third one is National Pre-Scholars Day. National Pre-Scholars Day. So here is event from 5 March to 10 March. So there are very important and event, so you can find out a profitable, good, unique niche idea using this event. So first of all, we check out National Dentist Day. So we can search dentist. Dentist. Now we go to Amazon KDP, Amazon website, and we can search dentist coloring book. Dentist coloring book. I love the dentist coloring book. So there is a dentist coloring book. There is a dental life dentist coloring book. So you can find dentist coloring book on Amazon Marketplace. So there here is another dentist coloring book for kids 2022. So here is already sale. So there is also 940 results. So there is also a proven niche. So you can check out trademark and copyright. When you can find this niche is a trademark and copyright free, then you can work with this niche. So we can check out another popcorn lovers day. So we can check out popcorn coloring book. Popcorn coloring book for kids. Popcorn coloring book. So popcorn coloring book. So there is a proven niche popcorn coloring book, and here is a search results also shown only 337. So there is a profitable niche. So you can check out trademark and copyright. So we can search popcorn logbook. Popcorn logbook. Popcorn logbook. So popcorn logbook, you can search popcorn planner. There is also a product, popcorn notebook, popcorn planner. So huge amount of product. So there is a proven niche. So in this way you can try every event, check out step by step, and find a profitable niche. So thank you so much for the time. If you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell icon when I can share more video, more niche about creative self-publishing business. So thank you so much. Thank you all.